English for everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 11.
There is always a supervisor on the factory floor. There are 6 well-trained assistants on her team.
There's a business dress code at this company. There are 2 printers on your floor. There isn't a water cooler in the kitchen. There aren't any elevators in the office. Is there a set time for lunch breaks? Are there any files in the stationery cabinet?
There are 10 people on the sales team. There aren't any bathrooms on this floor. Is there a stationery cabinet in the office? There's a staff cafeteria on the 3rd floor. There isn't an elevator in this building. Are there any places to lock my bicycle here? Is there a desk ready for our new designer? There are lots of envelopes in the cabinet.
Hi, Jonathan. I'm Alvita. Welcome to the company.
Hi, Alvita. It's nice to meet you.
You too. Let me show you around the office. There's a large room just over here. This is where we have a team meeting every Monday afternoon.
What time's the meeting?
It's usually at 2, but I'll email you with more details about it later. This closet here by the main entrance door is where we leave our wet coats and umbrellas when it's raining.
Okay, thanks.
So, let's go to your office. There are 4 desks, but only 3 of us work in here. We use the other desk for project work. There's a tea and coffee machine opposite the office. These drinks and water from the cooler are free.
That's great.
Yes, we're very lucky. And last but not least, this is the way back to reception, where you must sign in and sign out at the beginning and end of every day. Do you have any questions?
Not at the moment, but I'll let you know if anything comes up. Thanks, Alvita. You've been really helpful.
There is a staff parking lot. There is a business dress code. There are places to relax. There isn't a staff parking lot. There isn't a business dress code. There aren't any places to relax.
End of Lesson 11.